Hi everyone. I wanted to talk about the importance of journaling our trades, be it swing trading, buying stocks for investment purpose, positional, or even futures and options. Journaling helps a lot with keeping track of things like our overall profitability. It can also help with keep track of stop losses and trailing stop losses. I even use it to make notes about why I chose a stop loss, as in what was the logic behind it. This helps me take the stop loss when needed with as much conviction as much as I had when I entered the trade. It can help us plan our entries and exits. I made this spreadsheet to record my trades and keep track of them. The current prices of stocks, the profit loss percentages, the day change percentages are all updated automatically thanks to the price fetching formulas of Google Finance that work integrated into the Google Sheets. I'll be going through it with you so that you can use it effectively for your own trades. I've created a blank journal based on mine, which I'll show you in just a bit. Let me go through some of the basic features of the spreadsheet. So let's zoom in first so that you guys can see easily. These are the normal entries: serial number, date, script, the stock name, the entry price. This I have to enter manually at which price I am entering the stock. The current cost of that stock is automatically updated. As you can see, the formulas for it are this. All you have to change is this ticker. I'll go in deep explaining about this. The day change percent for that stock is also a Google Finance formula. Again, all you need to do is change the script name, the ticker. Total return formula is simple maths. Original stop loss, what I chose my stop loss when I entered the stock. The trailing stop loss now that it has increased. And what is my swing status for this? I booked half of it on 23rd at this price. These are just my notes about the trade. I know that the stock has gone up by 25% since I bought it. Right now it is at 23%. So if I see that, all right, it is now 15 or 20%, I need to see where it is going. I need to check out the chart to see if I need to exit, if it is a complete reversal or is a temporary pause. Second column is profit booking 2 when I close the trade. And my notes are basically the stop losses. What is the reason for the stop loss so that I know what I based my stop loss on. So this is the current state of the journal. I have all the trades recorded, all the entries done, all the current prices are updating automatically, the day change percentages, the total return percentages, all my stop losses, profit bookings, detail of all my first and second profit bookings, all my reasons for stop losses that I have put here. And here at the bottom, I can see that portfolio total return right now is 7.26% and portfolio day change is 0.7%. So I've created this secondary journal. Here I've put in an example. I'll just show you another example. So let's say I took another trade. I put a date. I took it on 16th. All right. Let's say I bought ITC. Let's check what the price of ITC is. ITC is currently 458. Let's say I bought it for 450 rupees. All right. And I put in quantities at your end so that you can also check the rupees and everything so that you will get the complete picture of your trade. I bought 100 quantities of ITC, and the invested amount will automatically come like this. The current CMP, we have to, only for the first time we'll have to change the ticker here. I have just copied this and pasted here, and ITC's ticker is ITC. Thank you. So we just change this from Reliance to ITC, and it should load the price. All right, 458.55, 458.55. Current value of the trade is this. We invested 45,000 and current value is this. Day change percentages is also another formula, so we need to change that from Reliance. We'll just change this to ITC. Day change percentage for ITC was minus 0.34. Total return percentage for us is 190 because we entered at 450. This is just an example. The profit loss percentage will also come. The current profit loss is plus 855. So these are all the details that you can quickly enter. What I'm using to copy the formula from the above cell is Control D. Every time you press Control D, it will just simply copy it, whatever it is in the above field. So 3, we'll copy the date, and let's say we entered, what did we enter? Let's say we entered Finolex. Finolex cables. What is the price of Finolex cables? 1127. So let's say we entered at 11 2, let's say it's in loss, okay, 1150. We entered 100 quantity. You can change what to whatever numbers you buy. Invested amount, Control D, it will automatically copy the formula from above. Current CMP, Control D, it will copy the formula from above. It is the ITC formula right now. So Finolex cables is Fin cables. As we can see the ticker here, FIN cables. So we go back and change this to Fin cables. And now it's loading. It's changed to the current price. Current value is this. Day change percent also, Control D will copy the formula and change ITC to Fin cables. Now see, I made a mistake. CABLES. Right. Total return percentage and profit and loss. So all the formulas and etc. for the tickers you only have to put in once when you enter the trade. After that it will always update your automatically, and the profit loss will continue to change. Here if we check, the portfolio total return is automatically updating and the day change is also automatically updating. It is based on this average of these, and this one is based on these, the average of these. This is a basic trade journal, and there are more columns. As you can see, further for your use, you can write your stop losses here, trailing stop losses here, your swing status if it is active, if you've closed it, so that it doesn't confuse you later. The last milestone, the profit booking column, how much you've booked, how much the second time you booked, if you've completely booked it, and notes where you can write whatever the notes you need. Reason for I write reason for my trailing stop losses. So let's say if I closed a trade, what changes will I need to do? Let's say if I Finolex cables, I didn't like it was going down, it hit my trailing stop loss. So what will I do? Yes, I will simply enter the price that I exited in the current CMP. So let's say I exited at 1125. Now these will not automatically update. These will remain these because they are based on the current CMP formula from Google Finance. And now that it's not there, instead of the formula, we entered the exact number at which we exited. So now these columns will not change and remain the same. The second thing that you'll need to change is change the day change percentage to a dash, because otherwise the day change will continue to affect on a daily basis, because now you don't have the stock. So we can remove that. That is all you will need to do. But you will always know that you entered the stock at 1150, you bought 100 quantities, you invested this much amount. The current CMP is also your exit amount, because here it will say closed. The swing status is closed, so your invested amount remains the same. Current CMP remains the same because we changed the formula to 1125. Current value remains the same. Day change percentage is deleted. Total returns, you know that you lost 2.17% of your capital, and profit loss was minus 2500. Now, why do we need this journal? Why can't we simply see this in our demat accounts? The problem is once we close a trade, it completely disappears from our demat accounts holdings. And as you know, out of sight is out of mind, and we completely forget our losses and completely forget our profits. The main issue is that to get a complete picture of where we stand, we need this journal. The DMAT can give you a monthly statement of your holdings, or a quarterly statement of your profit loss. But if you are checking your trade journal on a daily basis and following your trades according to that, you will always get a complete picture of where you stand. This is why trade journals are essential. All right, so how do you get this? I will be sharing the link of this trade journal in the video description. All you need to do is go on file and press make a copy. And this will create the copy of this trade journal in your own Google Drive. And then you can start to use it and update it. If you have any more ideas to add to this trade journal or any other requirements that you feel that should be part of this trade journal, you can leave a comment and I'll see if it can be integrated. And you can join the Telegram channel and we can discuss it there as well. The Telegram channel link, the link to this trade journal will all be in the video description. Thank you very much.